Hi, my name's Ava, and in this video I'm going to cover Module 2H, which is on productivity and energy, and I'm going to relate that to chimpanzees. So the first thing to discuss in this module is limiting nutrients, which are the nutrients in shortest supply that put a limit to how much the population can grow. These include nitrogen and phosphorus for terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems, including, of course, the rainforest environment that is home to chimpanzees. And for algal populations in a third of the world's oceans, limiting nutrients include iron. So limiting nutrients impacts carrying capacity. So for example, in a rainforest ecosystem, if you were to increase the amount of nitrogen and phosphorus, it would be able to support more chimpanzees as well as other species populations. So the next topic is productivity, which is the amount of energy incorporated from the sun. Only about 1% of the energy that comes down from the sun is actually captured by primary producers. Gross primary productivity, or GPP, is the total rate at which primary producers incorporate that energy, while net primary productivity, or NPP, is the amount remaining after the primary producers undergo respiration and heat loss. So when heterotrophs consume primary producers, the chemical bond energy is all that's left, which is typically about 10% of the initial energy captured. This energy continues to decrease as you go up the trophic levels because organisms use up a lot of energy consumed for growth, so the respiration and defecation, as you can see in this diagram. This is known as the 10% rule, stating that during transfer of energy down trophic levels, only 10% is stored as biomass and is available to the next trophic level. So, for example, if a plant has 100% energy captured from the sun, it passes 10% of that energy to a bug that eats the plant. Then, if a chimpanzee eats that bug, it gets 10% of that, which is equivalent to 1% of the original energy captured from the sun. Then, if a tiger eats the chimpanzee, it gets 10% of that, which is equivalent to only 0.1% of the energy initially captured by the sun from the primary producer. So lastly, let's discuss NPP in ecosystems. So ecosystems vary greatly in NPP. Some of the largest ecosystems actually have very low average NPP, while some of the smallest ecosystems can have the largest. So this is seen in the fact that the open ocean takes up 65% of Earth's surface area, but has very low average NPP. In contrast, the tropical rainforest, where chimpanzees reside, and which only takes up 3.3% of the Earth's surface area, has a very high average NPP and contributes to a high percent of Earth's total NPP. This is due to the amount of autotroph biomass available. There is very little in the open ocean, however, the tropical rainforest is very rich in biomass and is the most diverse ecosystem. So that's it on this video on Module 2H in relation to chimpanzees.